Ito yung kaninang tres ni Malonzo mga boss, oh. Kaboom! Grabe si Malonzo. Si Malonzo yung gumagawa ng fourth quarter mga bossing. Naka-match winner pala tayo mga boss ha. Okay, back to the ball game na tayo. Naka-match winner tayo guys ha, sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Okay. Puso. Yan na, si Ray Parks. Last 4 minutes na lang to. Yan na, Malonzo, sidestep, beauty. Kaboom! Nice one. Tumaya tayo kanina mga boss. Okay. Naka-end play tayo. Wala kasing pre-match kanina sa Melbit mga bossing. Nilabas lang nung mag-start na yung laban. Okay. Huli. Sablay mo muna. Yun! Panay baldog tayong taga-Thailand. Yung tutukan na, hindi pumapasok. Okay. Labang tayo. Relax lang. Sure ball natin yan. Okay, Ray Parks, 4-3. Kaboom! Oh, sablay. Sayang. Yan o. Yun! Di ba? Nilawa. Kaso na putback naman nung number 31. Last 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, Bolik. May hawak ng bola. Magaganda yung mga pinakita nila mga bossing ha. Talagang sipag. Naku. Hinatak daw doon si Manzano. Ayan o. Hinatak naman talaga. Siya pang natawagan ng foul. Grabe ka na rep. Okay to si Manzano mga bossing ha. Grabe yung puso ng batang ito. Pwede to sa PBA. Grabe yung pinapakitang opensa-depensa ni Manzano mga boss ha. Ang sipag ng bata na to. Pwede na to. Makipagsabayan. Masipag. Di ba? Sablay mo, boss. Talo ko, sasablay mo pa eh. Last 2 minutes and 51 seconds. 67-58. Lamang tayo ng 9 points ha. Sablay mo na. Yun, sablay. 67-58. Okay, Malonzo ulit oh. Painit na si Malonzo. Kalabawin mo. Ayang. Bulik. Bulik. Okay, fade away. Sablay. Sayang, hindi umabot. Uli. Yun. Nice. Nice D. Tinulak. Yun lang. Naagaw. Travel yun, rep. Oh, walang tawag. Kagi. Walang tawag. Hindi na pinakita. Ay, hindi pinakita sa replay. $67.58 mga boss ha. Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds in our fourth and final quarter. Puso. Unti-unti nang maaabot natin ng gold. Back to the ball game na tayo mga boss. 67-59. Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Malapit na natin makakamit yung gintong medalya. Laban Pilipinas, puso. Sablay mo. Yun, sablay. Ano yun?
67-59.
Nag-free throw na kanina eh.
He could not
Free throw
move
ba?
on in the first half.
No misses at
Immaculate in the first half, but right now,
Sablay mo ulit, boss. Umalog.
all. Wow,
Nice
that's what
one.
we're talking about.
Nahihirapan sila sa ring. Nasa Thailand pa kayo ha. Home court nyo pa yan.
They can use some
Okay, Ray Parks. Ray Parks, crossover. Nakawala. Kick out pass.
There's an offensive foul.
Ayun lang, may offensive na naman.
kick it out.
Matik
but
yan, pag ganyan.
Morgan was right there.
Hindi makapaniwala si Ray Parks. Ayan o.
Dribble drive, it opens up lanes.
Offensive.
You see it. Sometimes you take first to defend without fouling. here.
67-58. Last 1 minute and 56 seconds. Bola ng Thailand, mga boss. One stop. Okay, one stop. Yun. Tablay.
Not his night.
Si Manzano yung sentro ng Gilas, mga bossing ha. Okay itong batang to, masipag. Yan, Bolik. Veterano yan. Robert Bolik. Okay, binigyan ng screen ni Manzano. Bolik. Malonzo. Spin. Lay up. Okay, may tawag. Foul. Olmo rep. Baka baliktad pa ha. Foul yan. Wala na si Poy Eram, mga boss. Okay, all out na si Poy Eram.
To the line for two.
Grabe yung puso na pinapakita ng Gilas, mga bossing.
Baka naubos nga yung shot clock.
Down by 11 to 12 points.
To the basket.
Hinabol. Trinabaho nila. Ayan, fourth quarter, lamang na tayo.
Oh, that's right, but shot clock violation.
That's why they're looking at the top also.
Ayan o, baka tawagan mo pa ng offensive yan.
It seems like from the replay, Malonzo still had it on his hands.
I-free throw mo na yan si Malonzo.
Shot clock showed
It-
0.
This is from Taiwan. You know that, Larry. Taiwan, they know their
Props kay Malonzo, mga boss ha. Siyang trumabaho ng gusto sa fourth quarter. At si Ray Parks. Itong first 5 na to, talagang ito na yung pandiinan natin.
May tension din.
Door still open for Thailand here. Malonzo.
Pasok mo lang. Malonzo, isa lang. Nice one. Okay, depensa. 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 Yun lang. Tak na iwan, libre yun ah.
A good drive there by Lish. Drop pass off to Jack Oran.
A minute and 11. Just a
Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. 68, 61. Lamang tayo ng 7 points, mga boss. Okay, Bolik. Naitawid na yung bola. Malonzo ulit. Malonzo. Pinili kay Bolik. Binigyan ng screen ni Manzano. Malonzo. Obos-obos mo na. Yun lang. Naagawang sabaw. Look. May foul pa yun.
That third year event who's a very good shot blocker.
Delikado pa.
Threes is called for a foul here. Lish. Outlet pass.
Inabot. Tatlong free throw yung Thailand, mga boss ha. 68-61. Lamang tayo ng 7.
How he does with
Last
free throws.
45.5 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Yari pa. Na-foul doon sa 3 points.
Look at the crowd that is amassed under the basket. Kanina walang tao doon.
This is a great game. What
Sablay mo lang, dalawa.
for this
Kahit yung tatlo na, sablay mo na lang. Pasok. Pasok yung unang free throw.
That's a good looking stroke from Jai Sanok. And
Mukhang cool dude.
68,
68-62.
62. Pangalawang free throw ng Thailand. Pasok uli.
68-63.
Expect some pressure defense from Thailand. Full court here. Gotta handle that.
Tahimik yung mga Thailand kanina. First up, ang iingay. Pasok lahat.
4-point lead.
Opo.
47 seconds.
Obos oras na. Lamang tayo ng 4 oh.
High pressure.
Yeah.
No turnovers here.
Okay, to the ball game tayo. Last 47.8 seconds remaining na lang po.
Ano na ito?
68-64. Lamang tayo ng 4 mga boss.
Also part of the game.
Obos oras na.
Grabe yung laban.
Ayan. Obos oras na lang. Nice one. Tawid mo lang. Okay, nakatawid na.
Shot clock coming down.
Okay, Ray Parks. Iwanan mo yan pare. Iwan ka dyan. Tari ka, iwan. Bolik. Sa corner. Sablay. Okay, nice. Na-rebound. Oh.
We almost lose it. 30 was bottled up. It's a 4-point game. They have to go for a 3.
Uy, ano yan? Travel yan.
Foul.
Looked like a travel. The referee called a foul.
And 2 free throws coming up.
Pinipit yung bola.
30 Ravenna in our possession.
Yari. Ay,
Great
dyan.
tip for an offensive rebound. Lish right here tries to split the double team and look like took some extra steps.
Sablay. Sablay mo.
Oh, and
Wala lang hangin si Bob Marley. Sorry.
They need the second one.
and they've got a foul after.
Para single possession. Walang 4-point shot di ba?
Yeah,
Sablay mo ulit.
And then they will foul.
they look like trying to get a steal but get a foul, but the
Sablay mo.
miss by Lish. And he missed another
Nice.
one.
Ball is
Ayan,
loose.
agawan bola.
Grab it.
Nakuha ng gilas.
And a foul on Diambe.
Nice.
We're getting closer. Just a
Night,
little
night
more.
daw sabi
Just
ni
a little
Berto.
more.
Robert Bolick puts the sleep sign. Adjustments, and they
Okay.
They did. And the same thing they did
Unang
yesterday
free throw ni Bolik.
against Indonesia.
knew exactly how to adjust and turn this
Pasok
game
mo yan,
around.
boss. Nice.
Yan ang night.
5 points na lamang natin.
He just fouled one of the best free throw shooters.
69-64.
Robert Bolick
Last 7 seconds.
knows.
8. Binalik sa 8.
Smell the gold medal in a few
Ba
seconds.
naman yan. Ayun.
And look at this. That is the probable icing. Lish
Nararamdaman ko na yung gintong medalya ng Pilipinas.
on its way.
Blay.
Oh. And the
Yun.
Philippines has defended its SEA Games gold medal.
Puso. Panalo.
What a comeback.
Grabe yun. Patrap sa gilas, boys. Grabe yung
No panic
puso.
whatsoever.
Pinakita nila sa laban.
Wins its 20th gold of the SEA Games.
Di ba? Lahat nagtrabaho.
Okay,
Lahat
ladies and
gumawa.
gentlemen, parting words. What a game.
Okay.
First time for us to work together.
Nice one.
What a game for us to remember.
Yun, tumatakbo na si Air.
Sobra ka naman. You're a legend from the pre-show
Tinatakbo
line.
na yung
We
flag natin. Winawagayway na.
would miss
Nice
you in
one.
the second half. So
Eram.
very good luck to you to everything you do in the days ahead. Norman Black, what a
Gintong
job
medalya.
this ragtag team assembled so quickly and given no time at all to prepare. But Thailand, what a great effort for them. They will continue to challenge us, Larry.
Just give them credit.
Okay mga bossing.
Old
Follow naman ang ating
you know,
page. Maraming
not
salamat.
too much of